Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create table of contents in Microsoft Word. So the way that we are going to do this is we're going to go ahead and change these headings here. So for example, this one we're going to label this as heading, and then the introduction we're going to label this as heading 2, and then the sub part of that chapter is going to be labeled as heading 3, and we're going to go ahead and do this to the entire process. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this one. Alright, so as of the moment I have done that one. So number 1, for example, this is actually heading 2, and then this is heading 3, same here, and then this is heading 2, 3, heading 3, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and use this as an example for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and click enter or control enter, and then we're gonna head over here, click the references here, and we're gonna go ahead and click table of contents, and then you can go ahead and choose between the designs available here. Let's go ahead and choose this one for now, and as soon as you do that, it's gonna go ahead and create something like this. Now you can then go ahead and proceed and make more edits, and you can definitely update that later on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. For example, this is heading 2, and then this is heading 3, 3, heading 3, heading 3, and yeah, now let's go ahead and update that based on number 3 here. So we can head over here, click this, you have here the option to update table. Click this now and choose update the entire table, and you'll see that now number 3 has been added here. You can click this one as well and basically change this table of contents just like so. This is the title, this is chapter 1, subparts, and so on and so forth. So yep, that's the easiest way in order for us to create a table of contents here in Microsoft